In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up FredBoat Music Bot to add music to Discord server. By the end, you'll have a music bot added to your server and ready to go. Before we start, make sure you're logged into Discord with an account that has the manage server permission on the server you want to use. Without that, you won't be able to add apps. First, open Discord and head to the server where you want to add music. You can do this from the desktop app, the browser, or the mobile app. I'll describe the desktop flow, but the labels are very similar on other platforms. Once you're inside your server, look for the server name at the top left. Click it to open the menu, then choose Server Settings. This is where you manage everything for your server, including apps and permissions. If you don't see this option, double check that you have the right permissions or ask a server admin to grant them. Inside Server Settings, find and click App Directory. This is Discord's built-in store for trusted apps and bots, which makes adding them much safer and easier than using external invite links. In the app directory, use the search bar and type FredBoat. This is a popular music bot that can play tracks in your voice channels. You should see an app named FredBoat in the results. Click on it to open the app's page. Here, you can review what it does and the permissions it needs. It's a good habit to skim this page so you know exactly what you're adding. On the FredBoat page, click Add App. Discord will prompt you to choose which server to add it to. Use the drop-down to select your server, then click Continue. If your server doesn't show up, it usually means you don't have the manage server permission on that server. Next, Discord will display the permissions the bot is requesting, such as connecting to voice channels and reading messages. These are standard for a music bot. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click Authorize. You may be asked to complete a quick verification step. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Discord and you should see FredBoat appear in your server's member list almost immediately. That's it. FredBoat is now installed on your server. If it doesn't show up right away, wait a moment or try reopening Discord. From here, you're set to use your new music bot whenever you're ready. Enjoy organizing listening sessions in your voice channels and have fun bringing music to your community.